In this video, I'll show you how I turned a website link into a 3D printed QR code and combined it with a business card. First, I used Inkscape, a free and open source vector design software. From the top menu, I went to Render, Barcode, QR code, then entered my website link. Inkscape automatically generated a QR code for me, and I adjusted its size and layout to make it clean and balanced. Next, I saved the file in CVG format, which keeps the design scalable and ready for 3D editing. Then I opened Bambu Studio, the slicing software for 3D printing. I dragged the CVG file into Bambu Studio, and it recognized it as a 2D outline. From there, I extruded the outline to create a 3D model, and is set a proper thickness, so the code would have a solid, layered look when printed. After that, I resized the model to fit the dimensions of my business card. Before moving forward, I tested the code by scanning it with my phone camera to make sure it could direct me to my website correctly. Once confirmed, I imported my business card model into the same project and placed the QR code on top, adjusting the layout carefully. I also fine-tuned the print settings like layer height and fill density, and print speed to get a clean and detailed finish. Finally, I started the print. After it was done, I scanned the printed QR code again, and it worked perfectly. The finished piece is a custom 3D printed business card with an embedded QR code. Simple, creative, and functional.